Hey guys, I'm going to make a very short video on how to regroup numbers, mixed numbers. Since I can't be there today, I want you to go ahead and watch this and then work with the guest teacher that's there to be able to solve these problems. We would need to regroup mixed numbers if we had some sort of subtraction problem where we're trying to take away a number like, let's go 3/4. Now, if I were to draw this out, 3 1/4 is going to be bigger than 1 3/4. Just looking at your big mixed number here, you have 3 take away 1. You could totally do that. But when it comes to this fraction portion, I have 1/4 take away 3/4, and it's not going to work because I cannot do 1 take away 3. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to need to regroup. And that's what you're going to focus on today, is just how do you regroup a mixed number. So when I'm trying to regroup a mixed number, I have to think about what this looks like as a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this out. If I had 3 1/4, of course I have 3 full items colored in, 3 whole pizzas, counts, okay? Then the other part, because it's 4 as a denominator, I'm going to cut this piece into 4 pieces, and I have one of those pieces colored in. To regroup, I'm going to take one of these whole pizzas here, and all I'm going to do is chop it into pieces. All the other ones I'm going to keep whole, and I'm going to chop the other one into pieces. So now, instead of just this lonely one right here, this lonely one piece, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those pieces, and the items are still cut into 4. So now I have regrouped the number. I'm going to be able to use that in a subtraction problem. And I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute, this is too big. It's over 4. It's an improper fraction mixed with a mixed number. It's not awesome. No, we're doing this so that we can do the next part of the math, which, if you remember the problem that I had before, now we can do the next part. It's kind of the same concept as we have to line up the decimals to be able to subtract in the right place value. That's kind of where I'm going with this. So there's my little introduction. I will be back with you as soon as I can. Practice this with the guest teacher, and hopefully when I'm back with you on Monday, you guys wow me with how much you can regroup mixed numbers so that we can move on to subtracting of those mixed numbers. Like I say in all of my videos, happy mathing. See you guys soon.